Hi, I'm Jason from CTC Communications. In this video, I will show you how to connect and program a Bosch 3000 alarm panel using A-Link Plus through Cloud ID remote access method. For that, first launch the A-Link Plus software in the laptop and type in the credentials. So this is the customer detail tab. Here we can create a new customer if you want, or you can, if you want to connect to a existing customer, then you can open the same thing, and all the customer related details should be correct. Then you can navigate to the below tabs and give the cloud ID, the customer cloud ID correctly. Now you can access the link tab on side, and in the link tab select the communication model as network connection cloud. So there will be two network connection, so we need to select the network cloud and click connect. Once the communication is established, A-Link Plus will sync with the Bosch 3000 panel. Now you can go to the control panel configuration and do whatever programming you require as per the client's requirement, like zone configurations, user code, everything. Then if you're changing anything, make sure that you are saving and update the program to the panel from the link tab again. That's how we can do the remote programming of the Bosch 3000 panel. Thank you.